What's up YouTube, Biz Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video I'm just going to do an update on my wholesale real estate journey. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Now, in my last video I explained how I was on my way to a seller's appointment, actually a cash buyer's appointment. I was showing a property over to some cash buyers. So I went there. It was probably 50 minutes from my house, so it was kind of a drive. I went there, met with some people. They looked at the house. I actually brought the seller out of the house. I paid for her dinner, just a gift card to Subway. She was gone for an hour, so I had time and freedom to show the house to some cash buyers. Only one entity, one person, family came out to see it. Another person did tell me they were going to come, but they bailed out. And so that's kind of part of the game, it's like, you have these cash buyers saying, oh yeah, I'm interested, yeah, I'll be there at 6:30, and they never come. I'm just learning this about the business, and I just want you all to know that everything won't go according to plan, everything won't be perfect, but if you take the action and just commit to it, things can work out. And so I don't have high expectations, all the time, because I understand that there are trials and, I'm going to fail. But other than that, I'm still getting interest from other people. I had somebody just go by and see it. Now I don't even go there. I just say, hey, stop by, knock on the door. If the seller is there, let me know, I'll try to call the seller to let her know that someone is here. And I know the wind is blowing, so if this is interfering with the mic, I apologize about that. But yeah, so that's an update with that. Another update is that I'm beginning to be better on the phone, because I send postcards. They call me back, and so I had a lot of phone calls because I actually sent out my largest mailing campaign this Monday, and so I guess they got delivered today and yesterday, and so I had like 30 missed calls to call back, and I called back like last night, like after 7 o'clock, like 7 to 9. I was calling people back, having phone calls with them, and I'm just learning more and more how to build that rapport over the phone, how to match tonality over the phone, and things like that. And so, I'm dealing with rejection, of course. This guy hung up on me. Some people flat out said no, but that's part of the game, and you just keep on pushing through. And I was learning that the higher the resistance is to something, your goal or dream is pretty big, you know that this is a good deal or whatnot, or things like that. So I'm just following up with people. I'm actually going to see a house in about an hour and a half or so, potential contract to be signed. This house, probably ARV is probably 275. The person wanted 175 as is. I said, I think I'm close to around 100. Would you consider an offer around 100, 110? Leave that open ended. They're like, I can't go lower than 125. And he was like, hey, just come out and see the property. I'm still pretty firm at 100, so we'll see what we can do with that property. And yeah, just following up with people. I actually been following up with this one person. I saw their house. It's in decent condition, just cosmetic paint, probably new kitchen appliances, and that's it. You could put it on the market. But I have a verbal agreement, like, hey, I'm not gonna go with anybody else unless someone offers me $2 million. And like, that is such a good thing to hear from a seller. Like, I probably contacted them 8-9 times. I went to their house and everything. So it's just the power of the follow-up, right? And they really like me because, number one, I follow up consistently, and I'm true to my word. I say, hey, I'm firm on this price. This is what I do. I'm not buying the house myself. I'm bringing cash buyers in so they can flip this property. And she's just, they appreciate my openness and me not wavering back and forth on what I say. And so that's very important for you all. And I want to remind you all that, I'm not a guru. There's some more professional people if you want to learn how to make $100,000 a month. I only made one deal so far, but I'm hoping to close on maybe 2 this month. I thought I was going to close one last month, but that didn't happen. And yeah, this is just my update. Wholesaling real estate 2019 update. Um, with you all. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. And I hope you all watch this whole video because I think it's good to relate to somebody who's in the game too, who's not like, a guru dominating the game. It makes it very relatable. So I'm just bringing that out to you all, that I'm here with you all. You know, I'm a beginner. I'm learning more. I know more about the technicalities and the legality of it, so I can explain things like that. Um, and there's improvements, of course, I can make, and anybody can make, even people making a lot of money in this. But I hope you all enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video, and go out there. Take action. Um, massive action. Wholesaling Inc. They always say fail forward, and that's so true. Everything's not gonna be in place. You're not gonna know everything, but you just start moving your legs. Just move your legs. Okay, I'm going, and then you go to a seller's appointment. I used to be nervous. Now I'm excited. Like, this could be a deal. I get to talk to people, which for an introvert is kind of weird, but I praise God. I praise God. All right, you all have a good weekend. Talk to you all later. Peace.